Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to show you a new brand Paraffin Bath Wax Treatment. In my research, True Glow by Conair Thermal Paraffin Spa Moisturizing Wax Treatment includes 1 pound. Paraffin Wax Purple is one of the best from other. Let's go watch the video why it is best. The True Glow Thermal Paraffin Spa Moisturizing Wax Treatment soothes and smooths hands, elbows, and heels. Includes 1 pound unscented paraffin wax that should melt completely in 2 hours 10 minutes maximum. Relax and moisturize for 10 minutes to alleviate dryness and decrease the signs of aging and sun damage. With this heated wax treatment, the unscented wax soothes and softens the skin. Wax heats up to max 140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's dip hands, elbows, or heels several times to create a wax covering. Relax for 10 minutes while the wax moisturizes and conditions your skin. Then peel away wax to reveal softer, smoother looking skin. The relaxing warmth of the True Glow Thermal Paraffin Bath Moisturizing System immediately revitalizes the rough, dry skin on hands, elbows, and heels. A deeply exfoliating and hydrating spa treatment. From sonic cleansing brushes and facial steamers to paraffin treatments, light therapy devices, and more, Conair True Glow skincare tools help make every day a spa day. You can buy the liquid item of dry skin with Conair brand. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video ministrant, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.